and welcome to the thorough newspaper analysis of 20th July 2022. Today, we do not have any editorial article and instead we'll be focusing on the news updates and the legal news, which you know are a part of LawSikho's initiative to keep its readers and students updated with the current affairs that is happening in and around of India. Now, this will give you an edge when you sit for any competitive exams, whether they be SEBI Grade A or RBI or IBPS SO or your Judiciary prelims examinations. So moving on to the news updates for today, we have Britain records the highest temperature. Now, MET office weather agency registered a provisional reading of 40.3 degrees Celsius, 104.5 degrees Fahrenheit at Coningsby in Eastern England, breaking the record just set a few hours earlier. Now, before 19th July 2022, the highest temperature that had been recorded in Britain was 38.7 degrees Celsius, which was set in 2019. Secondly, we have work from home in SEZ rules notified. Now, the Union Commerce Ministry said work from home is allowed for a maximum period of 1 year in a special economic zone unit and can be extended to 50% of total employees. The Department of Commerce has notified a new Rule 43A for work from home or remote work in special economic zone rules of 2006. Thirdly, we have Niti Aayog to launch the third edition of the India Innovation Index. Now, Niti Aayog will release the third edition of the India Innovation Index 2021 in New Delhi tomorrow, that is the 21st of July. Now, the Indian Innovation Index is basically they examine the innovation capacities and ecosystems at a sub-national level and highlights the recent factors and catalysts for promoting such crisis-driven innovation. From there, we will be moving on to the legal updates for today. Number one, double presumptions available in favor of accused after acquittal. Supreme Court restores acquittal in murder case. So the Supreme Court held that while dealing with an appeal against an acquittal, the appellate court has to consider whether the view of the trial court can be held as a possible one after analyzing the evidence that is presented in front of it. And the same was held by the Supreme Court in the case of Ravi Sharma versus GNCTD. Secondly, we have only investigating agency can move application for further investigation under section 173 subsection 8 of CRPC. And the Allahabad High Court in the case of Farha Faiz versus the state of UP and 3 others held that it is a right of the further of the investigating agency under section 173 subsection 8, and this right is given to the investigating agency and only they can move an application before the magistrate for further investigation. So this was all for today. For free study materials and TNA PDF slides, please join our Telegram channel, the link of which you can find in the YouTube description, just beneath the YouTube video. You can also scan the barcode given on the screen @LawTestPrep. You can follow us on our Instagram channels, LawSikho.Judiciary, LawSikho CLAT Prep, and UGCnet_LawSikho. For any further information, please feel free to visit www.lawsikho.com. Thank you.